Hi, this is Brian with EvoDynamic, and today I'm going to show you how to use Divi layout packs. Let's talk about the prerequisites for using the Divi builder on your site. If you're working with EvoDynamic or White Glove Ninja, we've already set up Divi builder, the Divi theme on your website, unless you had another theme there. If you had another theme there and you want the power of Divi, talk to us and we can put the Divi Builder plugin on your site and you can still use the features of Divi. If you're doing this on your own, head over to elegantthemes.com and sign up. They have pricing for lifetime pricing. They always have a 10% discount at the bottom. You need the license in order to get access to all the layout packs that they have available. So the prerequisites are either the Divi theme or the Divi plugin. We provide those to all our customers, and you can get your own at elegantthemes.com. The theme is like a full-blown theme for WordPress. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. You don't have to do it. Have us do it for you. The Divi plugin is a plugin that goes into your site so that you can have, like you see in the little image here, you can have certain parts of your site be Divi and other parts of your site be your regular theme structure. We love Divi because it's fully customizable. We can get in there and we can make changes, and that's all you need to get started with the layout packs. So you might ask, what are the layout packs? If you head over to elegantthemes.com/layouts, you will see they've got 196 layout packs, and every week or two they publish a new layout pack. A layout pack is basically a collection of pages set up to give you a fast-forward jump start on launching a new website or a new design for your site. As I look through the Divi layout packs on their site, they've got some categories here on the side. You can do some searching to see how many pages are in a layout pack or how many layouts are in a layout pack. You just click on one of the layout packs, it opens it up, gives you a big page demo. It shows you how many and what all the pages are that are available in the layout pack, and you can click through those and it'll pop up on the left here. The reason to look at the layout packs on the website is you can look at a live demo of that layout pack in action. Just hit this button down here, view live demo of this restaurant homepage. It'll pop open a new tab and it will show you that page, and you can navigate through the menu and see all the pages, see the animations that are involved, and see the different elements. As you look at a layout pack, one of the things you want to keep in mind and consider is kind of each row across the screen. This header, these rows of images, the row here starting the footer. You can turn on and off each of these rows. You can grab a row that you like from one area of a layout pack and put it in another area pack or layout pack, a layout page. You can turn off a whole row, the about page, so you can look at all the different pages from a layout pack in a full working WordPress site. So if I wanted to drop this features area, I could take that out and just run this section, this row, into this row down here. So looking at the layout packs on the website gives you that advantage of being able to see it in a live. Alright, to apply a layout pack on your site, remember the name that you picked from the layout demonstrations. You can also browse through those in your website. It's really easy to do, but it doesn't offer you that feature of looking at it. If I want to apply the animal shelter layout pack on my site, I need to remember that name. I'm going to go over to my site. This is the front end of my site, and I usually do this in two tabs, front end, back end. You can check our front end, back end blog post out for more information on what the front end is and the back end. And you can check out the link to that down in the doobly-doo below the video here. And then the back end, that's where you're logged in. You've got this black bar across the top of your site, and you're good to go. And I head down and pages and add new page. We're going to make a home page for this site because right now it's just got the dummy default Divi page. Adding a new page, I want to close out of the block editor, and I want to use the Divi builder. So I click that. That's going to open up the Divi builder. Divi builder and the Divi builder plugin are full of documentation. The website's full of documentation. Inside your WordPress, there's documentation, and millions of people across the world have written blog posts, recorded videos, and tutorials on how to do it. You can take the tour on your own time, but we're going to start building. That's going to take us to the front end. The WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get editor. And we are going to choose a layout. So we're going to go browse layouts. And the name of our layout was animal shelter. So I'm just going to type that right in here. Remember, we looked at it on the Divi website directly so that we could see the live action shots of it. So here's our Divi layout shelter, and we are building the home page. So we're going to click this layout, and we're going to click use this layout. It's going to grab all the instructions, images, and text and assemble them on our page without us having to do anything. Okay, our page loaded up here, and this is all the default content from the layout pack. It's got some filler text. Some of it's good, you can leave it as it is, and some of it's the obvious lorem ipsum. That's the standard for fill text. Just shows you how the layout and appearance will look with that. You can scroll down the page, you can see all the areas where you can come in and edit text and edit images and things like that. In the Divi, it's really easy. You just click in there, start editing the text, and you're good to go. One of the things I will show you today, though, is how to swap out images. So find this section. This is the section toolbar, and this is the component toolbar. I'm going to go into this component and make sure that I got the right one. Yep, the full width header settings. And I'm going to scroll down here and see we've got a background image there, and I want to change that background image. So I'm just going to click on the gear symbol in there and grab this new one that I just uploaded. It's not the best one for this spot, so you got to think about that as you do things. Make sure you always put in your alt text, your title, and your description for disability and screen readers, and upload an image. So not bad, but you can see how that looks out. You can go back and select another image, and that's how easy it is to just swap out images in your layout pack. And just find the section that you're looking at, find the part, and replace the images. And there's one more thing I want to show you. Maybe you aren't ready to have the site go live with all the parts. So you can go back into your Visual Builder, and we've got the header. That looks good. We filled in some text here, but we aren't ready for this featured pet section. We can go over here and hit the hamburger menu and go for other section settings, and we can disable this section on mobile, tablet, and desktop. This section will be hidden on the front end when we save this. What we do, that's good, and this section's good. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we're not ready for this section either. So here we can take this row, we can hit the three dots, we can hit disable. We can hide this until we're ready to go. If we don't want to hide it and we just know we're never going to use it, we just hit the garbage can here, and that'll trash that section on the page. So any sections or rows that you don't want, just disable them or trash them, and it's a fast forward way to go. If I hit exit Visual Builder, it's going to give me an option to save it, so I'll save it and exit, and then we can see how it's going to look with those sections hidden. And there you go. We've got the top, that, what we do, and the subscribe. Looks like we need to do something different with the background there, so we can go back in and make some changes and edit that. From that point, we can go and apply all these other layouts to our site as we need them, and you can grow as fast or as slow as you want. You can always update the images, update the text. You can copy a row from one page to another page if you'd like to do that. But layout packs are a way to fast forward your site build on your Divi WordPress site. Thank you for walking along with me today to learn about Divi layout packs. This is Brian with Evo Dynamic. Be blessed.